Hello learners. Hello learners. Today we are discussing module 1 1.4.1. At the end of this session you will be able to define the sociological definition of kinship, explain the kinship pattern in India. Sociological definition of kinship. Kinship refers to how individuals are related to one another by the bond or by bond through blood, marriage, or adoption. The sociological relationship deriving from blood ties, real and supposed, and marriage are collectively referred to as kinship. Abercrombie. Kinship can involve a relationship between two people unrelated by lineage or marriage, according to David Murray Snyder. Type of kinships. Consequential kinship. It refers to the relationship based on blood, that is, the relation between parents and children, the and between siblings are the most basic and universal kin relationship. Affinal kinship. It refers to the relationship formed on the basis of marriage. The most basic relationship that result from marriage is that between husband and wife. Degree of kinship. Primary kinship, secondary kinship, tertiary kinship. Kinship pattern in India. Kinship in North India. Irauti Karve conducted study on kinship pattern in India. A famous book also Kinship Organization in India. She talked about North Indian kinship. In North India, there are terms for blood relations and terms for affinal relations. The northern zone consists the areas of the Sindhi, Punjabi, and Hindi, Pahari, Bihari, Bengali, Assami, and Nepali. In these areas, caste exogamy, clan exogamy, incest taboos regarding sexual relations between primary kins are strictly observed. There are at least four basic features of kinship in North India: territorial genealogy, incest taboo, local exogamy. Kinship in Central India. The central zone comprises the linguistic region of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Now, after bifurcation of Madhya Pradesh, newly created Chhattisgarh also included, Gujarat and Kathiawar, Maharashtra and Odisha. Tribal people have their unique features of kinship compared to other regions' people. Cross cousin marriages are prevalent, which are not witnessed in the northern zone. Many castes are divided into exogamous clans, which are again arranged in hypergamous hierarchy. Kinship in South India. There are five regions in the northern zone consisting of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and the region of mixed language and people. Louis Dumont, famous French anthropologist and sociologist, highlight the following point about the Southern kinship system. Number one, principle of immediate exchange, a policy of social consolidation, a clustering of kin groups in a narrow area, No sharp distinction between kin by blood and kin by marriage. Greater freedom for women in society. In southern zone, there are intermarrying clans in the same village. Older cousins and also younger brother of girl's mother are preferred for marriage. Kinship in Eastern India. In Eastern India, kinship organization is totally different from other part of India. There are more tribes than caste Hindus in eastern part of India, consisting of part of Bengal, Bihar, Assam, and Odisha. The more important tribes located in these parts are Khasi, Biror, Ho, Munda, Oraon. The kinship organization here has no one pattern. In this session, we have discussed about the definition of kinship, types of kinship, degree of kinship, kinship pattern in India. Happy learning.